Daily mindfulness, motivation, achieve your dreams. Welcome to Motivational Inform. Today we'll explore how the daily practice of mindfulness can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your dreams. Mindfulness can be a powerful tool for self-discovery, resilience, and the drive to pursue your goals every single day. Let's learn how to make it a part of your journey to success. Why mindfulness is essential for motivation. Mindfulness isn't just about staying calm, it's also about clarity and commitment to your goals. By tuning into the present moment, mindfulness allows you to connect deeply with what drives you, helping you stay motivated even on the hardest days. Each morning, take a few minutes to set a mindful intention for the day. Think about what goals you'll focus on and the impact you want to make, using mindfulness to clarify your dreams. Mindfulness helps clear the mental clutter, allowing you to see your goals and dreams with fresh perspective. By regularly reflecting mindfully, you gain clarity on your purpose and find the motivation to take consistent action toward your dreams. Spend time visualizing your goals. Imagine the steps you need to take to reach them and feel the sense of accomplishment you'll experience when you do. 3. Building a daily mindfulness practice for motivation. Consistency is key to making mindfulness part of your daily routine. Simple practices like morning reflection, mindful breathing, or keeping a gratitude journal can help you start every day with purpose and motivation. Begin or end each day with a brief mindfulness exercise such as focused breathing or a gratitude reflection. This habit will create a strong foundation for achieving your dreams. 4. Overcoming challenges mindfully. Mindfulness doesn't prevent obstacles, but it helps you handle them with resilience. When challenges arise, mindfulness keeps you grounded, allowing you to face difficulties with patience and stay motivated despite setbacks. When facing a challenge, pause and take a few mindful breaths. Remind yourself of your goals and the strength within you to overcome difficulties. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you're not just working toward your dreams, you're building the resilience and motivation needed to achieve them. Remember, each day is an opportunity to move closer to your goals. Thank you for watching. Motivational Inform. If you're ready to make mindfulness a part of your journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Let's achieve our dreams, one mindful day at a time.